update on, of course, you saw nothing. Oops. I need to remember to be prepared before my videos. Yeah, that's good. You might know a lot about this hurricane, which is Cat 3. What is this? What is this, dude? No, a storm that's Cat 3 on my analysis. It's not expected to become a Western Pacific storm. Not like Hector. It's just to make landfall. I think everybody knows that Lane became a cat when I did. It's expected to gradually. Oh, geez, this is too glitchy. It's the low. This is my Shrek. Oh, Lane. It's not expected to become a higher wind speeds, but it seems like it's gonna become a higher wind speed. Here it is. Let's talk a little about another storm which is in the Western Pacific. You know, it's Tropical Storm Lewis. Oh, jeez. This always happens. So this is Tropical Storm Lewis. Yay, Lewis. Yay, it's expected to become. What is this door? It's supposed to have a category 2 status, but rapidly went into nation. We're just gonna talk a little. Okay, we're done. Let's get do this. This is the Lane Boy. We're not going to do much. This is a short update, and bye.